All right, part 2 of our cheesecake and cheesesteak extravaganza. We're making a smoked cheesecake right here on the PK, right at the lake. We're gonna smoke it. We're gonna do a graham cracker crust with a little bit of bacon in it.
What?
Yeah, we'll put some bacon in it, and then we're gonna do like a brown sugar bourbon drizzle on it. First off, let's go ahead and make the crust. A whole bunch of graham crackers. Josh is melting the butter again. He's remelting it. But that light brown sugar, and you know what we're gonna do. You don't have to make, right? Baking's not an exact science anyway, right? Oh.
You mean bacon or baking?
Bacos.
About that much. I would call that 2 lumps and some sand.
Okay. Do you have a spatula?
Speaking of spatulas, where do you think you got it?
Spatula City, Spatula City. You bet. Oh, yeah. Okay. Just half of it now, because we're doing like a half. Doing it in 2 batches. All right, now here's our special. We're gonna throw some bacon in this crust.
Ooh.
Because why not? Let's hit it. Taste it.
Oh man.
Yeah?
Dude, that's gonna be it. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that
looks. You can taste the bacon in there too. It's good.
So here we got our little bacon crust. You can see the little bacon in there.
Let's see.
Everybody's taste tested it and they've said it's good. Let's make the filling.
Can you do it with more bacon in your mouth?
Philadelphia, that Philly,
Whoa.
like a Philly cheesesteak, but you know what we did last time? Our Mississippi cheesesteak,
Yep.
which is better than a Philly cheesesteak.
Yeah.
Shout out Brandon Harrington. Brandon's been on the show before. One time we were driving to Atlanta to see a Sunny Day real estate show, and we stopped at this gas station to get a snack, and Brandon just got a block of cream cheese and ate it.
Are you serious?
Every time I pass that gas station, I think, what is wrong with that guy? Some Dixie Crystals.
Okay.
About some half cup sugar. It's about a half cup in it.
No, you get more.
So this is sort of like pop-up slaw kind of
Yeah.
level. Vanilla. Teaspoon?
Half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon. Just a little cinnamon.
That's good. That's good.
3 eggs. 1, 2, slop.
And 1 yolk. Is that right?
Yeah, but I got that account. Next up, we got some flour. An 1/8.
1/8 of a cup.
That's about it.
That's probably good.
Yeah, salt to taste.
Okay. Let's spin it.
I think we're gonna need to do 2
I do
batches.
too.
Blip, blip, blip.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna do 2 batches of filling.
Okay. Go in the kitchen and get you something to eat. Yeah, I think we're good, man.
PK is hot. What you sitting at?
We are sitting at 225.
Okay.
Throw on some smoking wood.
Smoking?
Yeah.
Smoking chips.
So we're gonna use hickory because nothing goes better with cheesecake than hickory smoke.
Also, it's all we had.
Also that.
So you grab that Chucky boy.
Yeah.
Look where that.
Oh, look, it's got a little bit of jiggle.
Pop that junt right there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Here we go. Is we smoking?
There's the smoke.
Okay.
I don't know. 2 hours.
All right. 2 hours?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's check it. Oh, yeah. I think we're good.
That's it.
Perfect.
We're gonna pull it. So this is 2 hours at about 225-ish. Somebody couldn't get that heat right. Anyway, we're gonna take it off.
It was right the whole time.
No one. We're gonna take it off and we're gonna put it in the fridge for like 4 hours while we go to Clancy's and eat some lunch. And then when we come back and it's nice and chilled, we're gonna make our brown sugar bourbon drizzle sauce to go on top, and then we're gonna eat it. Y'all look out! You're gonna stop up with a really hot cake. Sweet. 4 hours, and then we gonna eat it.
Whoa.
All right, there it is.
Yeah.
There's the smoked cheesecake. We've all smelled it. We all kind of stood around and smelled it like a bunch of weirdos. It smells like smoked Gouda. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna make a bourbon, brown sugar, and butter sauce, and we're gonna drizzle all over the top, then we're gonna try it. So we're gonna do some butter first, and then brown sugar. We'll put a bunch of brown sugar in here. It's gonna get sticky sweet.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put some of the little bit of makers
Ooh.
in there.
Just making caramel.
Yeah, pretty much.
That dude needs to go. All right.
All right, let's see this here. Everybody back up. Holy crap, get away. John is fighting a bee off.
That looks really yummy.
Whoa!
Good gosh.
I'll tell you what would be good. Take a little half and half.
Dude, this guy.
Oh yeah.
Well, you got
Get away.
Okay. A little half and half.
Yeah,
A little bit more. Look at that slice right there.
Oh, wait.
That's not bad for my first cheesecake, I don't
No,
think.
it's not.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah.
You see the light coming through it?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Jared, the shadow from the plate.
All right, so this is it. Our smoked cheesecake that we did on the PK. And we have a graham cracker bacon crust. And then on top, we have a Maker's Mark bourbon brown sugar drizzle.
Yes.
Now we get to taste.
Really?
Smoky. When that graham cracker bacon crust hits,
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's really good.
You can tell the
That
smoke.
is really good.
oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah. The smoke is definitely there, but it's not overpowering.
No, not at all. That's really
That crust is so good.
Here you go. Smoked cheesecake. Amazing. Bourbon sauce. We did it. Yes, sir.